Hello everybody, this is the unboxing of the 30-minute mission Spinato Ninja Type. And I have the model kit from Canadian Gundam. Link is in the description below. So this is my third kit in the 30-minute mission line. It's actually a fairly new one. I think it came out last month. I got it when it came out. I just haven't built it. I am considering doing a drunk stream tomorrow, which I guess would be the 10th. And try and see if I can build it in 30 minutes. I might not. I have no idea, really. I guess it depends on how work goes tomorrow and if I'm really in a mood to get drunk. I was gonna get drunk last week, and then I got the second COVID shot, and I was wrecked. Oh man, my whole body was aching all weekend. So I finally had 2 days off in a row, and I couldn't do a damn thing. So it kind of sucked. But it does look kind of cool. I mean, it's a ninja. You gotta believe it. So it might be interesting to build it. It's got a couple different weapons. I might get... I think there's a 30-minute mission girl kits that are coming out or have come out. I might get those too. Or one of them at least. I do like the frame arm girls, so they might be cool. I don't know. Anyways, if you want to pick this up, click the link below to go to a Canadian Gundam, and I'll see you in the next review.